talking trash and stuff, he goes, my preferred pronoun for the rest of this year is champion.
Hey, buddy. Aren't you a good boy? Hey, stay down. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, you're a great boy, aren't you?
I'm going to take a video of me doing the snow angels for my Thanksgiving.
Snow Angels, yeah. Well, here in the shop today, working on the Monte Slolo.
Hey.
He's got this LS engine in here.
Running 14-second quarter miles.
How fast?
14.054.
It's so slow, he has to put a turbo on it to even go sort of fast.
We might break into the 13s.
Look, there's a turbo right there. Corey from T-Top Speed Shop hit me up to do some aluminum welding for his turbo build on the Monte Carlo. But before I could do my magic, we had to get this hot side all figured out. We need to connect this part of the turbo to the exhaust manifold over here. And like all easy things, the angles we needed were not simple. It was at this point Corey realized he should have gotten longer Sawzall blades.
That fits. Why did that not fit in earlier? Weird. It fits like right inside.
Mm-hmm. It's like it was meant to be.
Put it in the snow and pull it off the quick.
Nothing like heat checking the metal. That's good for it.
Turkey done.
Oh yeah, that'll fit right up. Perfect. First try.
Oh yeah, we're fine. Remember that Wastegate? She'll go.
That'll fit.
I'm gonna grab a turkey. You can just pick it up, take it out.
A plasma cutter is the closest thing to a lightsaber we could find. It makes notching out the hole for the wastegate a breeze. Okay, now we have the feed piping and the wastegate done. We need to do this big 4-inch exhaust pipe here. Maybe he's compensating for something? All I know is, we had to do some triangle math. We wanted to figure out what height to cut the pipe to make this 45-degree bend work. 22.5 is half of 45. Take the tangent of 22.5, multiplied by the diameter of the pipe, and that gave us 1.6568 inches, or 1 and 21/32 inches from the base of the cut. Here we are helping Corey with his turbo build. He needed some aluminum done for the cold side for that intake right there, or that's not an intake, that's an intercooler. And Corey doesn't have the aluminum machine, so called me in to do it. We've got our hot side tacked together while it's together, so now we can start doing the cold side. The intercooler had to be mocked up to figure out the bends we need. Yes, it's upside down from normal installs. Corey wanted shoulder piping to the cooler. Corey gets what Corey wants. Because of the tight fitment, one end of the intercooler had to be shortened into a tight 90. Those tacks are boogered together, but it holds, and that's what counts. Here's what I'm thinking. We'll go Sunday. We need to cut, weld intercooler, finish intercooler.
That's all I need.
I'd spend the next 3 hours welding and waiting for the aluminum to cool. You know, for how cruddy the pie cuts were, and how thin the aluminum piping is, these welds turned out okay. To top it off, I ran out of argon right after I finished the last weld. How's that for timing? All that's left is to install the mount tabs and connect all the silicone joints. We got a lot done in a day and a half, and we had fun doing it. You can follow more of this build on Facebook or YouTube by searching T-Top Speed Shop. I'll also post links below. Thanks for watching, and go give some attention to your own build.